know you see me. I know you see me. I know you see me grinding, shining like a diamond, man.
Hey everybody, I'm Dwayne, and this is the Word. Now today's word comes from Job 2:3, which states, "And the Lord said unto Satan, Hast thou considered my servant Job, that there is none like him in the earth, a perfect and upright man, one that feareth God and escheweth evil? And still he holdeth fast his integrity, although thou movest me against him, to destroy him without cause." And I just want to let everybody know, be blessed. God is always with you, and he can't break you like he couldn't break Job. Take it easy.
We belong to the Lord, and we're more than conquerors.
Every day you breathe and start believing it's a holiday. Celebrate.